Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I know it has been a minute since I actually sat down in front of a camera and spoke to you guys, or actually just put myself in front of a camera. I know I'm going to do better, I promise. But how are you guys doing? Have you guys started decorating your homes for Christmases yet? Or are you still in the planning phase like myself? Because your girl has not started decorating as yet. I'm more of a after Thanksgiving decorate for Christmas kind of girl. Are you the same way? Or, it just doesn't matter. But I like to decorate after Thanksgiving for Christmas. But, I thought, why not go ahead and give you guys a few console table ideas, because I know how difficult it can be when it comes to decorating that entryway, especially that console table. So I'm giving you guys today 3 different settings or stylings, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely let me know which one's your favorite, which one spoke more to you, which one you're like, girl, you could do better. But definitely comment down below. You guys know that I like chatting with you guys down in the comment section. And if you like this video, make sure you give your girl a big thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it, and it would definitely help my channel get into that YouTube algorithm. That's important for your channel. But let's get into this video and give you guys these table settings, and I hope you enjoy it. For my first console table setting, I wanted to make sure that I kept it very minimal, very simple, and not over holiday. Because it's not Christmas yet, I thought this would be perfect for just welcoming in the season. So I just added my vase that I usually use on top of this console table, as well as my books. I decided to stand them up instead of laying them down. Then this vase that I created, I'm going to post up the short for that. I don't know if it's going to be up before this video or after, but I do have a short for that coming. And because the bowl isn't high, I just went ahead and added another bowl, an eating bowl, under it just to elevate it. Then I added my candle holders and my garland inside my vase just to give a draping effect. And I feel that this looks very Christmassy, but not over Christmassy, if you understand what I mean. Just enough to welcome in the holidays. For my second look, I wanted to keep it once again very simple and very modern. So what I did was just remove the garland from the vase, and I'm going to leave that vase empty. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the bowl that I made and center my candle holder. Then I'm going to add the books back, but this time I'm going to lay them flat so that I can add some Christmas decor on top. I have a few of these little houses that you add the tea lights in, but I didn't add my tea lights because I only could find the real tea lights, and I couldn't find my battery operated ones, and I just wanted to keep it safe. And then I went ahead and add my deer as well as one of my bottle brush trees. And then next to the vase, I just added a couple pine cones, as well as just a little pine stem and another little stem ball, whatever that's called, right on top of the pine stem. And then I added my gold candles to my candle holder. If you want to keep this black and white, add your black candles or your white candles to the candle holder. I think that would be very beautiful as well, but I wanted a pop of color. That is it. I feel like this looks very modern and very chic, and also very minimalistic. for my third and final look, I'm going to remove everything from the console table, and then we're going to create a small Christmas village. I usually use this stand on the windowsill along with some garland around the window and some lights, and that's usually very pretty, but I thought, why not add it on the console table today? So I added that as well as a small vase, and I'm adding some stones to it so it'll be able to hold the weight of this tree, the Christmas tree, because this is just the top of my small Christmas tree that I decided to add to a pot so that I can add it on the table. Then I'm going to go ahead and add those tea light houses again, and I'm trying to arrange them as cute as possible because I didn't want to overcrowd it because my console table is very small, but I think I should have added about 2 more, but it looks cute. After I've arranged the houses as best as I possibly can, I'm going to add a couple bottle brush trees as well as a few of my reindeers. And these reindeers are gold with glitter, so glitter got everywhere. But I added those and I think it turned out really cute. It's very minimal, but very, very cute. You can go ahead and add some lights to your tree if you want to as well, because this stand actually lights up as well. So if you want to go ahead and add a few of the twinkle lights to the tree, that would be very pretty as well. And you don't even have to add the reindeers. You can go ahead and add some candlesticks, and that would be cute as well, and light it up. And I think it's really, really cute. Once again, guys, I cannot find my battery operated tea lights, but I decided to add some real tea lights to this one because I just wanted the light up effect, and I feel like this one is a lot more Christmassy or holiday inspired than the first two. The first two I think are a lot more modern, but let me know down below, what do you guys think? Which one's your favorite? 1, 2, or 3? So we're at the end of the video. Which one was your favorite? Let me know the truth. Let me know how your girl did. If I didn't do well, tell me I didn't do well. It's okay. I am okay with accepting criticism. Okay? Healthy criticism. Do not bash me in the comments, because girl, don't play that. Okay? Let's be nice. Let's be respectful. But also speak your mind. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you actually think. But also be respectful at the same time, you know? I can respect that. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like I said, give your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, all those good things that us YouTubers love to ask you guys to do. Make sure that you do all of that before you leave this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, cheers.